Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set notifications on the Facebook app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Facebook app, and here it opens up in our feed where we have some things. Yeah, from here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three lines, and then tap on the cog in the top right corner again. Then if you scroll down, we'll find notifications under preferences. We tap on this, and here we can set what kind of notifications we want to receive: comments, tags, reminders, activity about us, updates from friends, birthdays, groups, events, whatever. There is a lot to select from, and then we can set also where we receive these notifications. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.